We start with that new body camera video of an officer slamming a handcuffed woman to the ground while inside the Ormond Beach Police Department. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Luann Sorrell.
Good evening. I'm Marlisa Goldsmith. That officer is now off the force and facing charges. Fox 35's Randy Hildreth is live at the police department tonight. Randy, what led up to that altercation?
Yeah, good evening to you both. We understand that it started with a DUI crash investigation, and the woman was brought to the police department. Throughout their interaction with this woman, the video that we're seeing for the first time appears to show the woman go back and forth with officers, but then it took a turn. Take a look. This is the moment a DUI crash investigation by Ormond Beach Police turned into an investigation into one of their own. New video shows the moments former Ormond Beach police officer Jacob Cannon threw a woman down, causing her to slam into the chair and a wall before she hit the floor. He's since been charged with felony battery and resigned from the police department. An arrest affidavit details Cannon initially tried to give police and fire EMS a different story, noting he told other officers the woman, quote, jumped up and went to charge out the room. He allegedly told fire rescue she slipped.
Why am I being in here? Why? I want a reason on why.
Shanna McRee was arrested after investigators say she'd gotten into a crash and they believed she was driving under the influence. You can hear McRee insulting Cannon and the other officer as they prepare to give her the breathalyzer test. Instead of ignoring or de-escalating the situation, the video appears to show Cannon get physical. McRee suffered a gash to her forehead and required 7 sutures. Following the incident, the Ormond Beach Police Department released a statement apologizing to the woman and said in part, quote, this incident does not represent the way we police our community. Cannon is expected in court in August. I'll send it back to you live tonight, Randy Hildreth, Fox 35 News.